Hi there. Hi, I think I'm live. Sandy here. You all, it's another crazy day. Cricut has changed their mind again. Today is Thursday, March 18th. And as I think everybody knows, last Friday they announced they were going to make some changes and limiting the 20 uploads. Then Tuesday, they changed their mind again and said, okay, unlimited uploads as long as you register a machine by December 31st, 2021. And now they've come out today and said, oh, never mind. You can upload unlimited images between now and December 31st and even after December 31st. So they've completely changed course again. I mean, it's just crazy. It's crazy. I don't even know what to think anymore. I love the machine, but I mean, what's going on with this company? Who's making these decisions or not thoughtfully thinking about these decisions? I don't know. It's crazy. I would love to hear what you all think about this. Um, I just, what are they thinking? What are they not thinking? I mean, as I mentioned in my earlier videos, I understand they're all about making money. They want to make money. They're a business. They're in business to make money. But gosh, I mean, didn't they put a whole lot more thought into this before they decided to make that first announcement? And then they quickly try to correct their ways, and that still people were upset, so now they've changed it again. So I don't know. I just don't know what to think, but I would love to hear your all's thoughts. I just had to come on here because I've been trying to get the latest and greatest information out there, share my thoughts with you all, and kind of keep this conversation going. I know a lot of people have commented on, hey, I have a brother scan and cut, and I think they like that as a good cutting tool. I know a lot of folks are starting to order silhouette machines. I'd been toying with buying a silhouette machine because I got some money from work through our wellness program. And so now I think I might actually do that, and I've been playing around with the Silhouette Studio software. And so I might go ahead and get the machine, and that way I can kind of compare that machine to the Cricut Maker that I have. But I was not impressed when the mug heat press came out. I didn't see what the value of that was. You can buy mug presses a whole lot cheaper on the internet, and you can even buy heat presses that come with all these different adapters for mugs and hats and things like that for cheaper than they're charging for this mug heat press. I mean, $200. I mean, that's a lot. And you don't even know if it'll work with sublimation ink very well. And you don't know what other size mugs can fit in there. So to me, it's like just order a cheaper, better, mug heat press out there. And then them finally coming out with offset. It actually was on my software this morning. I did a video on that if y'all want to check that out. And it seems to be working well, but it's long overdue. I mean, long overdue. So anyway, I just wanted to jump on here. If you hadn't seen the news, Cricut posted a letter out on their blog, and Asesh, I think is how you say his name, the CEO. He came back. He came out in a letter, and they said, "Oh, we've listened to everybody, and we've listened even more, and now we've decided to reverse our policy altogether." And so that's basically what the letter says. And so there's not a cutoff of December 31st. It's now and forever upload unlimited images, personal images. So anyway, just wanted to get that out to you all. Let me know what you all think. I'm baffled. I'm baffled. So anyway, would love to hear your all's comments. Please, if you haven't subscribed, I would appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. I'm continually adding more videos to my channel and really trying to grow my channel. So anyway, have a good evening. Let me know what y'all think about all this Cricut craziness. Have a good night. Bye.